Good morning, mates. Nickaway, south side of Billy Sandifer Drive. Beautiful morning. Air temperature's really nice. Got an air temperature of about 77. Wind, slight bit of south in it, so south-southeast, blowing about maximum 10 miles an hour. Supposed to gust up to like 13 to 15 miles an hour during the day. Water clarity, going to put that at about a 6. I'm going to give it a 6. Seen a lot of bait being busted here in this first gut. I'm on a nice point. Be definitely worth trying for some pompano around here, I'm sure. Little bit of weed on the beach I'm noticing. It looks like day-old sargasso. It's not too bad. And what I do if I see weed and I don't want to fish in it, I just keep moving and I go to an area where I don't see it laying on the beach. Let's have a look at wave height, 3 to 4 foot. There's good separation. And it comes in and it's about 2 foot in close at the most. You should be able to fish it. Current, I'm not sure which way it's moving at the minute. It doesn't look like a lot of movement, but it has been predominantly north to south. Seen a lot of mullet being busted over here. All right, we've got a low tide at 12:15 this afternoon and a high tide at 10:46 this evening. Driving, going to put that at about a 7 to an 8. Couldn't get better as the tide drops out during the course of the day. Weekend, we've got good low tides, middle of the day, so it's ideal, perfect conditions for us to fish. But we've got Raphael, that little devil. It's come into the Gulf already. And because of this fronts that are coming through, we've got 2 of them. This first one and the second one, they're actually going to rip it apart in the end. But it made the path very unpredictable. Some had it going into Louisiana, others have it now, most of them going into South Mexico, but breaking down before it gets there, becoming just a tropical storm and then just rain and wind. Anyhow, so what's that going to do to us? Well, the fact that it's going to sit in the Gulf like for 2 or 3 days, it's going to cause fetch. The wave heights should be pretty big, but we're going to have this high pressure over it. So you've got the 2 working against each other. It could be a great day to be on the beach, but I'm expecting wave heights due to the position of Raphael and the speed it's moving at. So I won't know more about that until we get nearer the weekend, but I will keep you posted. Anyway, I'll put the drone up, check this out. Anyhow, you all have a great day. This is Nickaway from Breakaway with your best damn surf fishing report. Stay safe.